Guys, today I've got something that is going to take care of the everyday frustrations we all have with tangled cables. And you know what? It's coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Yes guys, today I'm sure you're going to relate to the problem that we all have when we're trying to get our cables out of a bag or even trying to sort them out on our desks. It doesn't matter how carefully you think you've rolled that cable up and put it away. When you try to get it out again, it's always tangled. Now, add a few more cables and the problem gets even worse. Sometimes all you want to do is quickly grab a cable, but you know what? It's never the case. Now, I travel a lot and I've always got a bag full of cables for all the devices that I carry with me. So you know what? Quickly trying to grab one when I'm sitting in an airport can be pretty frustrating. But today, guys, that frustration has gone. You know why? Because this is the MagTame, and quite frankly, in my opinion, it's a bit of a game changer. Now, these cables use magnets for a fast tidy up that results in never having to deal with tangled cables again. Now, before we get into it, MagTame sent me these cables to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So, look at these cables, guys. Look how neat and tidy they are, all nicely coiled up. And you know what guys, to use them, you just pull the ends apart and your cable is ready to go. No fuss, no untangling. And you know what? That is just absolute cable joy. Then guys, putting them away, just wrap the cable around itself, just like that. The magnets will ensure that the cable sticks to itself. And there you have your cable, all nicely coiled up for the next time. And don't worry guys, the magnets are powerful enough to ensure that the cable stays nice and coiled and ready to use the next time, but they will not cause any damage or interference to any other cables or equipment that you're connecting them to. And also guys, you can stick or coil multiple cables together so that these cables all stick together. So that's pretty neat, right? Because then you know all your cables are nicely stored and coiled up together, and actually you can use these cables to help manage your non-magnetic cables by just wrapping them around. So guys, there you have it. These MagTame cables are definitely going to get you out of cable hell, whether on your desk, in your bag, or even in your pocket. These are going to come out tangle free, first time, every time. And guys, don't worry if you don't have a bag, because actually you can, or even pockets for that matter, because you can coil this around your wrist and wear it like some USB jewelry. Yeah, probably not my cup of tea, but you know what? It's a thing, right? But anyway, up to you. Could be taking it a little bit too far. Maybe not, but there we are. Guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see any more of my content, please click on the bell icon and subscribe so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to MagTame for relieving my cable frustrations. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.